My name is Chitamira Deriva, but you can call me Aira. I'm the delegate of Vietnam. Be here in IMUN is a fascinating journey due to learning public speaking, leadership, and research, and networking. Please don't miss this opportunity and join the Asian Youth International Model United Nations to prepare you to become the future leader. Although this is my first IMUN in the age of 15, it's not be a burden to learn about global affairs and how as youth, I strengthen my initiative for the global affairs in my council. So there is equal opportunities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Stefina. I'm from Indonesia and I'm from the Council of IMF representing the country France. And I'm from Indonesian high school called SMA Alizar Pondok Labu. And I got verbal commendation. Thank you, chairs. So a little about the IMF Council. It was such a fruitful discussions and I met so many delegates and it was just a really interesting experience and I had a great time. See you at Asia Youth International MUN. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I am Faith Christian Mendoza Atilano and my delegation is from the Philippines and representing the Philippines from the International Monetary Fund Council. Now, I'm a third-year college student studying international studies in the University of San Jose Coletos. I won an Awardees 13th Asia Youth International Model United Nations, and that is the honorable mention. I thankfully offer this award towards the people who supported me, especially towards the Filipinos, especially towards the Oceanians, and all those international studies students around the world. Thank you so much for supporting and believing in me, and see you in the next Model United Nations.
Hello AYIMUN. My name is Ryan Suryotomo and I am from Indonesia. My school is Canisius College Jakarta and this MUN was very interesting. I represent the country of pandas, China, in the IMF. We talk a lot about economies, we talk about policies, but most important, we talk a lot about cheesecakes. I won the most outstanding award in this MUN from a lot of support of my friends and hopefully we have a fruitful discussion in the next MUN.
Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizky Ramadan. I am from Indonesia and I am representing Mexico in IMF. Now, my award is Best Delegate. I think this conference is really amazing, especially knowing the fact that 500 delegates and more than 40 countries are coming into one, solving issues in the respective councils to create a better future and to create a better goal. Now, what I hope for the next Asia Youth International Model United Nations is that more delegates can come because this is seriously a really great conference. And yeah, see you in the next IMUN or Asia Youth International Model United Nations.